Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block someone on PUBG. Blocking a player in PUBG prevents them from sending you messages, friend requests, or inviting you to matches. It helps you avoid unwanted interactions. To start, open PUBG and go to your Friends or Social tab from the main lobby. Choose the person you want to block, tap their profile, then from the dialog box, tap the messages icon. Inside messages, tap the three-dot menu. A pop-up will appear, tap lock on the top right. Confirm the dialog box. If you want to avoid this person as a teammate, toggle on the option, then tap OK. But after blocking, the player will no longer be able to contact you. You will not see notifications or invites from them. You can manage or unblock players later from the block list in your social or friend settings. And that's it. We just learned how to block a player in PUBG to avoid unwanted interactions and manage your friends and social settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.